Hi guys, it's Canary.
Mom.
And today we're doing a hot mama pickle challenge. And I'm excited 'cause I love pickles. Every time we have cheeseburgers, I need to make sure it's extra pickles. And we have, the rules are, whoever takes a drink of the drink first loses. Yeah. They're normally bigger than this, but we have to get one of this. And also, if I can, I'll try drink now.
What is that?
It?
It's pickle juice. What else?
No?
It's cold.
Your audience doesn't know what it is. You're just saying I have to drink that.
Look at guys, it looks weird. It looks like green goo. Ooh. Really hard to eat because it's cold.
Sour, spicy?
Regular. Ready?
It's hot.
I think it's good.
I don't think it's good at all. Bite it. You have to bite it.
It's too cold. I get my teeth shiver. Can't do that. I can't eat ice like that.
Take a bite off the side.
I like it. It's cold. I don't like cold stuff.
Your mouth's not burning? She's crazy.
What if I drink that and I actually drink? I can't drink that or I lose. I'll do it after Mom takes a drink.
You can drink it.
Take a bite of Mom's just in case.
Okay.
She's saying hers is hot and you're saying it's not, so.
You can win. And my mouth's burning.
You're crazy. That one hot. Whoa.
Chug it.
No.
Is that spicy? Is that spicy?
My throat. I can't talk.
Bye guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos.
Hit the notification
Oh, hit
button.
the notification button. See, that's your job, not mine.
A big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get more videos. Bye.